In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write AI prompts for workflows in Asana. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Asana and how to craft clear, effective prompts that make your automation smarter and more reliable. First, head to Asana. You can use the web app or desktop app. Just make sure you're signed into the workspace where you want to set things up. If you work in multiple teams or organizations, double check you're in the right one before continuing so your changes land in the correct place. Next, open the project where you want AI to help. Any project works, list, or board view. What matters is that it contains the kind of tasks you want to automate. It's helpful if the project already has a few representative tasks so you can picture the inputs the AI will see, like titles, descriptions, and custom fields. Now, look to the top right of your project and click Customize. This panel is the control center for project level settings, including fields, forms, and the automations we'll use. Opening Customize keeps everything you change scope to this single project, which is ideal for testing and refining as you go. Inside Customize, select Rules. Rules connect a trigger, like a status change or a task being added to an action, which is where AI can step in to summarize, suggest, or draft content based on task data. Think of rules as the when this happens, do that engine for your workflows. Click Add to start a new rule. This opens a clean configuration where you'll define what the AI should do once your trigger fires. Even if you're still deciding on the trigger, you can focus on the prompt first. The wording is the heart of how AI behaves. In the prompt field, type your instruction, then press enter. Make your prompt specific and contextual. Tell the AI who it is and what outcome you want, using the task's available details as inputs. For example, you might say, act as a project coordinator. Using the task's title and description, generate a 3-sentence progress summary in a neutral, professional tone. Start with a one-line status, then list the next 2 action items. Avoid duplicating text and keep it under 80 words. Clarity beats cleverness here. State the format you want, the tone, the length, and any must include or must avoid details. If your project uses custom fields, reference them plainly so the AI understands the context they provide. Finally, avoid private or sensitive information in your prompt. That's it. You've navigated to your project, opened Customize, gone into Rules, added a rule, and written a precise AI prompt. Keep your wording tight, test with real tasks, and refine for consistency. With a strong prompt, Asana's workflows become faster, clearer, and a lot more helpful.